Hi everyone. In last lecture, you see the summing and subtracting amplifier. Okay. In that the summing amplifier used in a inverting configuration, and subtracting amplifier is used in a differential operational amplifier. Okay. In that the summing amplifier is built from the inverting, non-inverting, and differential configurations. Okay. In a summing is the sum, that means the adder. Okay, in that output gives to the sum of the applied input voltages, okay, as well as the current. Okay, in a summing amplifier is built on the different configurations in a operational amplifier. In that the non-inverting, inverting, and differential configuration of operational amplifier. Okay, and but here the in a subtracting amplifier here used only on the differential configuration of a operational amplifier. Okay, in last lecture see the summing and subtracting amplifier. Okay, here today now start the new article is the new article is the current to voltage converter. Okay, so that here see the current to voltage, that means the input is current and output gives to the voltage. इनपुट काय दिलेलं असणार आहे याच्यामध्ये, करंट दिलेलं असणार आहे आणि आउटपुट आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे तर व्होल्टेज भेटणार आहे. ओके, हिअर in this article consider the ideal voltage gain equation. Okay, here consider the ideal voltage gain equation of the inverting operational amplifier. Okay, with reference to the circuit. Okay, this connection shows, okay, in this diagram shows the refer to the circuit in a inverting amplifier. Okay, see the figure here. Operational amplifier used in a inverting configuration. Okay, here apply the V1 and V2 voltage. Okay, in the non-inverting terminal input voltage V1. Okay, do not connect the any external source or any different value of the resistor. This terminal is the grounded. Okay, in the flow to the current in the V1, flow to the current in the V1 input, that means the non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier is the IB1. Current is the IB1 is equal to 0. Okay, and here the inverting terminal input voltage is the V2. Apply the input current I in. Okay, here apply the input is the current. Okay, I in, and IB2 flowing through the this terminal current is the IB2 is equal to 0. Okay, and then output is connected to the input, that is the feedback. Here used one resistor REF. REF is the feedback resistor. Okay, here apply the plus VCC and minus VCC supply. Okay, that means the here apply the positive and negative supply, as well as the output is connected output connected one resistor REL, that is the load resistor. Okay, and output voltage measure in this resistor across this load resistor, output is V0. Okay, here see the diagram. Okay, then here inverting operation amplifier, in that the ideal voltage gain equation here consider. Okay, which equation here right now the ratio of the output voltage into the input voltage. Right now the ratio of the input voltage into the output voltage into the input voltage, that means the V0 upon V in is equal to minus REF upon R1, that means the ratio of the feedback resistor into the input resistor RF upon R1. So right now the output voltage V0 is equal to, right now the output voltage V0 is equal to minus V in upon R1 into RF. Okay, however in that consider the V1 input voltage V1 is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to V2. Okay, V1 is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to V2. Here right now the equation put in the value in this equation, the V1 is equal to 0 and V1 is equal to V2. So right now the input current I in is equal to V in upon R1. V in is the input voltage, R1 is the against input resistor. Okay, so therefore here output voltage V0 is equal to minus I in into RF, minus I in into RF. I in is the input current, RF is the feedback resistor, and in that equation V0 is equal to output voltage. Okay, this means of we replace the input voltage, V in and R1. Combination is an inverting amplifier. The inverting amplifier by a current source as shown in this the figure. Okay, in this shows the figure here. Here the replace the input voltage and input resistor combination in an inverting configuration of the operational amplifier by a current source. Okay, by a current source is the I in. Okay, shows this the figure. The output voltage V0 becomes the proportional to the input current. I in. Okay, I in is the input current. That means the output voltage is directly proportional to the input current. Okay, V0 is the output voltage, I in is the input current. Okay, so in other words, okay, right now the other words, the above circuit converts the input current into a proportional output voltage. Okay, in the other words, the circuit convert the input current into a proportional output voltage. That means the input current हा output voltage काय असणार आहे, proportional असणार आहे. Okay, so there we commonly used in a digital to analog converter. Here commonly used to the digital to analog converter. That means the input is the digital, output is the analog. Okay, digital to analog converter. And in a sensing current through photodetects, such as the photocell, photodiodes and photovolt cells. Okay, photovolt cells. Okay, here commonly used in a digital to analog. That means the input is the digital, output is the analog, converts. Okay, and in a sensing current, okay, sense to the input current by using the different sensors. In that the photodetector such as the photocells. Okay, sensing the currents in a photocells, photodiodes and photovoltaic cells. Okay, in that the photodetector produces electric current in responses to the incandescent light, and then their amplifier, that is the I to Phi. I is the current, Phi is the voltage. I to Phi converted are used to convert this current to a voltage. Okay, used to the current to the voltage. That means in this article, very simple article, input is connected to the current and output gives to the voltage. Okay, here by using the simple, consider ideal voltage gain equation. Okay, here is the ideal voltage gain equation, and output gives to the output voltage is equal to minus I in into RF. That means the output voltage is directly proportional to the input current. Okay, or input current is proportional to the output voltage. Okay, जो इनपुटला करंट आपण देणार आहे तो आउटपुटला जे व्होल्टेज भेटणार आहे त्याच्याशी काय असतं तो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल असतो. ओके, सो दिस आर्टिकल इज द व्हेरी सिम्पल आर्टिकल, करंट टू व्होल्टेज कन्वर्जन कशाचं केलं जातं तर इनपुटला करंट दिला जातो आणि आउटपुटला त्या करंटचं कन्वर्जन हे व्होल्टेजमध्ये केलं जातं. ओके, आय थिंक दिस आर्टिकल इज द व्हेरी सिम्पल आर्टिकल and this article is here completed. So here stop now. Thank you everyone.